click download OBS 28. And now your Stream Deck is not working. Are you like me and many others who took the plunge and decided to download the new OBS? And out of nowhere, none of your plugins are working, especially your Stream Deck. And you are wondering, how can I get this piece of equipment to work on my PC? Well, it is your lucky day. I have a quick instructional video that will show you how to get your Stream Deck working on the new OBS. First and foremost, you may see a screen like this, which demonstrates what is compatible and what is not. I would highly recommend, not before you're streaming, but on a day that you're not, to check in all the plugins that you do have on your computer that may or may not be compatible already with the new OBS. So how do we fix this issue? Very simple. Elgato put a plugin update for OBS Studio 28. All you have to do is search StreamDeck OBS Studio 28 and you will get your answer here. To make things even easier for you, I will have a link below in the description. Before you even go to this website here, go on your Stream Deck and make sure that you are fully up to date to the latest version. If you are not updated to the latest version, you will have many issues. Once you got the Stream Deck updated, click on the download OBS Studio plugin. It will prompt you to download. You want to save it. I throw this in my downloads over here. Boom, package done. Then you will run the installer. Hit next. Nobody actually reads these. You probably should, just as a safety, but let's just hit the next button. I'm gonna throw this plugin into my Elgato folder. Hit next, install, hit yes, boom, plugin installed. Just like that, we got magic happening. Next, download the OBS plugin version 2.0.3 for your Stream Deck. You are now going to click on this. Again, another download, I know. Once it's downloaded, open the file. Yes, I do want to install it. Presto, it is officially installed. And that is what a fresh install will look like for OBS Studio. So now I will launch our OBS Studio over here. It says the following has failed to load. We will worry about that in a second. We will click OK. We will test to see if this even works. I made a tiny mistake and saved my OBS plugin in the wrong file, but you want to make sure all your plugins are under OBS Studio, OBS plugins under 64-bit. These are the new plugins down here for the Stream Deck. Because it keeps on generating a error message once you first log into your OBS, just simply want to delete these two older files here. Simply delete the older files. When you do open OBS, that plugin will no longer have an issue. So I added two scenes here just so we could demonstrate that it now works. So we've got my normal recording scene, and then we've got the green screen. So boom, boom, both are working perfectly fine. I currently believe I have both of these under preview. We want to switch them both to program, but I am now utilizing my Stream Deck in the way that it's meant to be used. Back and forth here, no issues. As long as you follow those instructions, you should have zero issues updating not only your OBS, but updating your Stream Deck so it responds to it. If you do like these informational videos, please Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe and turn the noties on. This is Papa Paz signing off. Know that you are loved, appreciated, supported, and belong here. Until next time, my friends.